This is the Stokke high chair that will work with infants up to toddlers to even adults. Really, really cool product. So we have the natural color here. There are lots of other colors you can choose from as well. So this has the seat, the footrest. It is really easy to adjust. Basically just loosen some of these, and then you can adjust these shelves to the height that you want. You can see the different heights there. It also comes with a lot of different accessories, so you can get a tray, you can get holders and stuff, different cushions and stuff, so really customizable. It's really super sturdy and strong as well, so adults can sit in this no problem. When your kids get bigger, you can use the larger seat right there and then remove that and then have adults sit there. Works great as an extra chair. So something like this, if you have a lot of guests and you need an extra chair, then even an adult can sit here, no problem. It is perfect height. I mean, you can adjust it however you like. Let's see, the logo is down here. And again, it comes with all different types of accessories that you can check out. And also it is really easy to clean. See how nice and glossy it is. So you can just wipe it down if your kids make a mess. And again, super, super sturdy and durable and strong.